At Valley First, your online security is our top priority. With two-step verification, we add an extra layer of protection to ensure that you are the only person to access your online banking or mobile app, even if someone knows your password. When you access online banking with two-step verification enabled, you will need to provide two things: something you know, which is your password, and something only you have, a one-time verification code sent to you by text message, email, or a phone call. Just like your password, never share this code with anyone. Two-step verification is set up the first time you log into online banking or the mobile app. It is recommended to provide at least two contact methods for flexibility and to set up an email address if you travel outside of Canada. Two-step verification is used for various security reasons. To reduce prompts at login, you can ask the system to remember your device. This is only advisable when using your own personal device and not a shared one. To change how you receive your verification code, you'll need to edit your two-step verification profile. To do this, simply log into your online banking and click on the Profile and Settings in the left side menu. Then select the Change Two-Step Verification Information option. On this next screen, you can update your contact information by entering your mobile phone number for text messages, email address, or phone number to receive your code with a phone call. To access your two-step verification profile on the mobile app, tap the Settings tile and select Change Two-Step Verification Settings. After updating your contact details, click Continue to receive a verification code via your current registered options. Enter the code at the prompt and click Continue. For text messages, ensure you use the correct 6-digit code by fully opening the message, and don't mistakenly use the sending number the code comes from. Always use the most recent code if you requested multiple during the session. Repeat these steps for each communication method you changed. Your two-step verification profile is now updated and you are good to go.